Hello guys, welcome back to the shed. So today we will continue stripping our A6 C5 and we are going to remove the glove box, okay? So stick around, hit like, subscribe, and we'll crack on with it. Okay, so for this job you'll need a 8mm screwdriver, okay? And we'll start by removing this one, two, and three bolts from the upper part. I'll show you afterwards the bolts on the underside. Okay, now that the upper bolts are removed, let's remove the bottom ones. Okay, and we shall have one in here and one in the opposite side. So let's crack on. Okay, so now with the three top bolts removed and the two bottom ones, this is almost falling by itself, so I think I just need to pull it, and it should yeah, so yeah, it comes right apart. Just to take care of the electrical connections, it seems that we have one, two, and that should be it. Well, actually it should only be that one that we should remove. Okay, let's try to do this single-handed. Just use both hands and with one hand pry in here, and with the other hand just pull this out, and that's it. Glove box removed. See you next time, guys.